everybody, today we're taking a look at the AdAvenger. Now supposedly that's an ad blocker that comes in the form of an extension for Google Chrome. You might think, well, what's wrong with that? I don't have an issue with ad blockers. Well, here's the catch. It scams users into installing their extension. It hasn't received that much publicity, which I think is actually good. The more you talk about it, the more people fall for it. So that's what I'm doing at the moment. Anyway, so this crap extension, I don't think it's legit. Perhaps to some extent it is, but today we'll also test AdAvenger and see how it holds up against annoying ads. But that's for the end of the video. Let's focus on their horrendous practices to lure people into installing the extension. Don't even ask me how I found it. I got no idea myself. It just popped up on my computer screen during a malware run, and I was surprised to see anything like that, to say the least. What's more funny is that they have constants defining modifications of their scam landing page, which I obviously leveraged to get every single one I could find. At the end, I managed to mirror 16 different scam pages from that single extension. They didn't cut corners on that one, that's for sure. So let's just go ahead and see what they've got in store for us. First off, this seems familiar. And slightly more annoying. Remember the important Chrome update scam? That's one of them. And I think I exactly got this one in my malware run. It looks a bit different though. Last time the verified publisher was Flash Player, now it's Google Extensions. And it seems a bit more responsive and also has sound effects. Listen. This is not a Windows 10 sound, this is a sound from the website. You can see the speaker icon on the top. So that's about it for that page. Let's see what the next one holds. And to access the next scam page, you should just increment that number after the word promo. And it will lead you right to the downloader. Download your file is ready. That seems familiar too. Free extension might required. I'm sorry. So same thing, but now in the form of a downloader. Obviously fake downloader. Step 1. Next one. This time 14. Now we have content blocked. To access the content you need to install the extension. And it shows the ads being removed. And by installing the extension we get free access to content and possibility to view any video without advertising on YouTube. And at the bottom we've got privacy policy and EULA. And someone to email in case we got any complaints. Okay, that's just a copy paste. I don't even have to guess that. 15. Conversion almost ready. File. Now the file is actually file.zip instead of your file is ready to download. And again, the free browser extension might be required to proceed. 2 buttons. Okay, I might need some help. Nope. Obviously, each one of them is gonna redirect me. I can't even imagine what kind of conversion must have happened to lead to this kind of thing. 16? Ah, yes. The timer. Have time to install a free extension for watching movies without ads. That text wasn't written by a native. I can guarantee you. After the end of the time, the offer will not be available on this site. You know what? I think we should let this timer tick. I wanna see what happens at 0 seconds. got 12 seconds left. I can't wait to find out. Come on, please go negative, please. This would be a huge meme. Okay, it doesn't go negative. Big sad. But we have time to install extension, as usual. Next, 17. Ah yes, that's my favorite. Most definitely. We have 3 options. Next, which is click on add and activate AdAvenger. Chrome extension removes ads and improves page speed. Just a single page. Probably adavenger.com. Install the download manager for Windows. And alternatively, we could restart our browser, which is not possible by browser policies. So obviously it will redirect us. How about browser update? Okay, it doesn't matter. And everything here inherits the design of the Windows 10 recovery screen, which I think is a bit misleading if you think about it. Next, 18. This ad seems more or less legit compared to the previous ones. It implies that I can watch my movie without annoying ads. Again, we'll test it at the end. It just shows you that you're about to install the extension. Fair enough. 19. Okay, so we're back at the gray area. Damn, I'd like to remove some of my harmful software. Chrome found harmful software on your computer. Chrome can remove it and restore your settings to make your browser work normally. Normally. That's not a native word. That's not a fitting word in this sentence. Again, details, report details to Google. And they tried to make it look convincing, but I guess they failed. Because those pop-ups are gone. Next. Okay, so this is the most effective one because it actually got me. I think it would get you too. Did you think this is an actual Chrome warning? I think that's pretty ingenious. So the site ahead contains malware. Attackers might attempt to install dangerous programs on your Mac, so that campaign is directed at Mac OS that steal or delete your information. For example, photos, passwords, messages, and credit cards. Learn more. Well, that's the only thing that diverges from a real warning, as far as I know. To get Chrome's highest level of security, install AdAvenger extension. The thing is, I didn't read that part, and I assumed it was real, because it definitely looks real. But other than that, there's nothing else interesting. It just redirects you. Damn, they got me good. Next one. Okay, your password may be compromised. Chrome can help you to protect your Google account and change your password. This will notify Google about the site. But the site... So, are they implying that the website I'm currently on has malware? Next. Chrome can help keep you safe from data breaches, bad extensions, and more. Check now, and we get a bad extension. Or a 400 bad request, because they coded it improperly. Next. Okay, that's the juiciest one out of these all. Microsoft recommends upgrading to Windows 10. So they just fake the annoying Windows 10 upgrade from 2016 or earlier. The 2015-2016 forced Microsoft update to Windows 10. Remember that? He must be an old guy. So that's actually completely misleading now that I'm reading that. There's not even a single word about AdAvenger or anything of that sort. I doubt they check for the user agent and they don't check for the operating system inside that user agent. So I'm currently running Windows 10 and they are recommending me to upgrade to Windows 10. Or alternatively, they haven't implemented the engine that checks for the operating system. And so here it is. It amazes me how they still manage to fake computer Windows. That's a 2010 trick. Back when fake antiviruses were a thing. Pretty impressive. Next one. Okay, that's another one of these. Windows 10, and my device needs the latest security updates. Microsoft can't install important security updates on your computer until you install the most current version of Windows 10. Blah blah blah, we're doing our work behind the scenes, feel free to keep working and we'll let you know when everything is done. Same misleading website, not a single word about the extension, and nothing downloads that fast, nothing of that enormous size. And I think the final one, which is the 25th, is a simple extension landing page. AdAvenger. The best ad blocker solution for Chrome. Say goodbye to pop-ups, video ads, and intrusive ads on your favorite websites. Well, I guess this one could kind of work if you're a dum-dum. 26, yeah, this is the last one. And then we get the actual landing page. So as I promised, we'll test the thing. Let's see how it holds up against those annoying ads, especially on YouTube. I'll quickly connect my microphone to the infected host and we'll go from there. Okay, so here I am on the infected host machine. And we've got the promo version 12. I think it's gonna work on this computer. And yeah, it redirects me right to the AdAvenger. How about adding it to Chrome? It has been added, and I'm redirected to Google. How impressive that is. Oh, boo-hoo, first ad was just blocked. Where was it blocked from? I don't think Google serves any ads. Okay. It's time for a test. Let's go to youtube.com, the usual source of ads. Okay, I don't think I got any on this video. It's looking good so far for AdAvenger. Yeah, I guess it works on YouTube, at very least. Yeah, let's try against an extreme test. This stupid ad blocker. Aha! Look at that. It failed to block the top right ads. So 8 ads out of 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. No. So about 4 out of 7 ads. So it's like 50% success rate. So as I expected, it's pretty bad. It doesn't work that well. Although it might suffice for YouTube and general browsing. Though there are far better ad blockers like uBlock Origin. Probably the best ad blocker on the internet right now. Just as I expected. And with that, thanks for watching and take care.